Good afternoon, colleagues. Happy Sunday again. This will be the first of our directed discussion boards regarding the reading review. And our reading review topic for this discussion board or discussion video will be Chapter 6, Path Goal Theory. If you're working on the schedule to have these 3 chapters read by Thursday, you're probably somewhere in Chapter 6 at this point in time. And I don't want to spoil it for you, but essentially if you were to look at the chapter summary for Chapter 6, you will find that path goal theory is largely involved with the leader providing motivation to the followers on their team. Now, in light of our conversation in class last week, we recognize and acknowledge that motivation is an intrinsic factor possessed by each individual member of the team. And so for the leader to provide motivation under the theory of, or the path goal theory, this actually requires a high degree of interpersonal reaction with the leader. So for this discussion board post, what I would like you to do is, upon completing reading Chapter 6, explain to me your understanding of path goal theory and how a leader manages to communicate with members of their team in such a way that they can discover what would provide motivation for their team or an individual on their team, and then find a way to provide resources or leadership, management, to then in turn elicit that motivation. Specifically, once you describe your understanding of path goal theory, what I would like you to do is pick one of the 3 case studies and describe, as the questions in the case studies ask, how a leader in that situation could communicate in an open way that would increase motivation for their team. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and I look forward to reading your posts or seeing your videos. Thanks.